February 21st, just picked the car up last night from the dealership. They said they replaced the WCM, the wireless connect module. Just drove from the dealership home last night, no problems. Drove from home to work today, 20 miles, stopped to park the car, exited, went back to the car to try to start it again, and it will not start. So key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, cycles through all the lights. Check engine light is on. And go to turn the key, nothing. Try the second key because they wanted me to do both. Same thing again, nothing. Check engine light remains on. As I turn the key, radio powers off, comes back on when I turn the key off. This is now the 6th time in